Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the battery Sony WH1000xm3. They have a touch panel for voice control, playing forward stop, and in this headset have only two buttons. And this headset fold is when we connect the charger, they are coming just to a red light and doesn't turning on. So first we have to open and check the battery. So now I'm gonna show you how to open the airbag. We need two tools. One is scraper and one T4. We have to remove airbag that side. This NFC side is a circuit. There no have battery is there that side. First we remove right side airbag. Put the scraper inside, then pull out. We already removed this airbag. Now we have to remove this foam, and they have inside a couple of screws. Step by step, first we open upper side, then we open inside downs. After the open all the screws, we have to behind the cap, we have to remove this. We have to remove this cap. Like this. Be careful because they have connected with back cap, have a very sensitive cable, and this is our battery. Be carefully remove the battery and that side the battery connector, and also after this sticker they have inside heat thermostat. Be carefully, you can remove if you broken this ribbon, so they are coming error for heating. And now we separate the battery, and we have to remove the battery wires in this connector. That side have one clip. Now the battery is separate. So first we have to check the battery, it's fully dead or have inside some voltages. Then we check headset continuity. We will check there have any more issues or no. We check this have any shortage or not. We already removed the battery and we'll check the battery. Battery is fine, but it doesn't turn on. And now we give the voltage with supply, and we try to turn on, but it's some condition, no have power. So guys, first we open the right side. Now we open left side. Same procedure inside the screws. Then be careful, we have to open the back cap because they have very sensitive cable with for voice noising and mic. First we have to remove this cable with connector. So guys, we open it and remove this cable, and this ribbon for power button and NC button, and we have to remove this screws and open the motherboard. Then we will check if we have any component short or something. So we opened the motherboard, and there have this and PMIC will support power management and network section. About network, there have NFC network and also Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. So all in have been this PMIC. If any component, any PF is short, so that's why it doesn't power on. We have to check step by step. So guys, I checked already, not have any shortages in motherboard. So just we have to one thing more. First we have to pasting in this IC. We just pasting and with the heat air gun. I'm using this IR past. It's best for micro soldering work. Now we just do the IC testing, and now we fix again and we'll check power's back or not. So guys, we fixed the IC. We just testing, and actually there's some of time coming losing is in the IC, so that's why we just resolve the IC with hot air, and now we fix the battery and put the safety tape. Must be we have to keep their tape because they have open circuit, and that side have also open circuit. So if we didn't put the tape or forget, so maybe coming inside some shortage. So now we have to check. Let's see it's turned on or not. Whoa, it's turned on. Yes, now power is back. This voice is for voice noising. That's why when we fix the cover, the body, it's coming fine. See, we fixed already the right side. Now we have to fix left. Sorry, left, right. We fix battery again. Then we fix screws. So guys, now our headset is ready, full pack, and now we have to check the sound. अनीस भाई लेकर आया।
तुमको दिया?
हैं?
तुमको दिया?
नहीं, बनाने के लिए।